Hello students, good afternoon all. Myself Rohini Chowgle. Okay, my chapter for you people is Unit 5 Digital Electronics and Spatial Materials. This is there in Physics paper 1. So in Physics paper 1 in that Unit 5 Digital Electronics and Spatial Materials, this chapter belongs to me. In that the digital electronics, the syllabus for digital electronics is number system, decimal, binary, hexadecimal and their interconversion. Interconversion means what? Decimal to binary and binary to decimal, like that. Boolean algebra, next truth tables, De Morgan's theorems, designing of logic gates using NAND and NOR gates. Okay, this is about digital electronics. Next, spatial materials. Spatial materials, in that introduction, classification of liquid crystals, display system, introduction to conducting polymers and applications. These are spatial materials and problems based on the digital electronics. Okay, now let us move on to the digital electronics. What do you mean by the electronics? See, students, in your 5th semester physics, you all are familiar with the electronics. Many more chapters depends on the electronics only. Okay, so digital electronics is a part of electronics only. So introduction, any electronic circuit that is designed for two state. You can take any electron circuit that is designed for a part of two states, that is 1 or 0. Both are maybe input, maybe output, one input or one output, or 1 as a input, 0 as the output, like that only. Here 1 indicating high and 0 indicate as a low of operation is called a digital circuit. So any circuit that designed for two state 1 or 0 of operation is called a digital circuit. So the branch of electronics which deals with digital circuit is called a digital electronics. So what? The branch of electronics which deals with the digital circuit is called digital electronics. Next, the number system. If any number system, there is an ordered set of symbols, okay, known as digits. Collection of these digits makes a number which is in general has two parts, integer and fractional, and set apart by radix point. Here that can be represented as n of b, a n minus 1, a n minus 2, a n minus 3, so on up to a1, a0 minus separated by 1 point, a minus 1, a minus 2, so on up to a minus m. So a n minus 1 to a 0 minus, this indicate as the integer. This indicate as the integer separated by a 1 point, that is radix point. Next, a minus 1 to a minus m, that is fractional. Okay. Now here in this expression nb is there, no, where n is a number. Next b, this b is the radix or base of the number system. Next m, so this m is there, no, so that is m is the number of digits in fractional part, n is the number of digits in integer part. A n minus 1, this is a n minus 1 is the most significant digit. A n minus 1 is the most significant digit and a minus m is the least significant. Okay, so di and df minus integer and this is a fractional. Okay, this comes in between 0 and b minus and 1. So the digits in a numbers are placed side by and each position in the number is assigned a weight or index of importance by some predefined rule. Means b is base is there, no, so we have to divide binary or decimal depending on this base only. Okay, now base or radix. What do you mean by this base or radix? The base or radix of a number system is defined as the numbers of different digits which can be occur in each position in the number system. Okay, which can be occur any position in the number system. There are 4 system of arithmetic often used in the system. Those are binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. What are binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal? Okay, these are 4 types of number system. Let us see one by one. Now first one is the binary number system. So what do you mean by the binary number system? The number system with base 2 is known as the binary system. So what do you mean by the base here? base, yani b is there, no? So here base b is represented as a 2. When it becomes 2, then this term indicated as a binary number system. Okay, and also only 2 digits are used, 0 and 1. These are known as bits. In binary number system, only 2 digits 0 and 1 are used. Those are called as a bits. And with base 2, here 1 1 0 0 1 0 with base 2. This is one example for binary number system. Similarly, second example, you can take any number. How much number you want you can take, but only those are in 0 and 1. 0 many times take, 1 many times take. How many times you want you can take with base 2. That is indicating as a binary number system. Next one is decimal number system. So what do you mean by the decimal? Decimal is 10. So 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means how many numbers? 10 numbers. So these 10 numbers, the decimal number system. Okay, having the base has 10. See here, one example is a 3, 7, 9. These number in between 0 to 9, no? So 3, 7, 9 with base as a 10. So this is an example for decimal number system. See here, first place 10, 100. 3 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So 3 into 100 is 10 square plus 7. 10 raised to 1 plus 9 into 1 is 1. So 10 square means 100. 300 plus 79 is 379. Okay, like that only. Next conversion is there, no? According to your syllabus copy, conversion means binary to decimal conversion. Here, how to convert binary to decimals here. This is a one example for binary number because base is 2 and here only 0 to 1 number is there. Okay, whenever there is base 2, that means that is only the binary number. Okay, now we have to convert this binary to decimal. So how to convert here? This is, take this as a 0, 1, 2. So 1 into 2 is the binary number. So 2 square plus second number is 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. So 1 into 2 square is 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 is 2 plus 1 into anything raised to 0 is 0. Simple. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 with base 10. So conversion of 111 base 2, that is this binary number to decimal is 7 with base 10. Simple, no? Okay, let us take the second example. 101101.10101 base 2. This is a binary number. This is different example. See here students, before the decimal points are there, no? Calculate this as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Before the decimal point is like that. Next, after the decimal point, here 10 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. See here 0 to 1, but here minus 1 like that. So that's why 1, first number is 1 into 2 raised to, say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 2 raised to 5 plus 0 is there, no? 0 as it is, into second is 2 raised to 4 plus 1 into 2 cube plus 1 2 square plus 0 2 raised to 1 plus 1 2 raised to 0. Before the decimal point is clear. Next, plus 1 is there, no? 1 into 2 raised to minus 1 plus 0 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 2 raised to minus 3 plus 0 2 raised to minus 4 plus 1 2 raised to minus 5. This is clear. Next, 1 into 2 raised to 5 is nothing but 32 plus 0 0 0 5, anything multiplied by 2 is 0. Next, plus 1, 2 cube is 8 plus 1 2 square is 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. 2 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 0. 2 square is 0. 2 square into 0 is 0. 2 raised to minus cube is 1 by 8. 2 raised to minus 5 is 1 by 32. Okay. Next, calculate this one. That becomes 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 32 as it is. Okay. 32 plus 8 is 40, 44, 45. 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 1 by 32. That answer is 0.65625. So, plus means 45.65625 with base 10. So, conversion of this binary number to decimal number is like this only. Okay. Getting now. Third example is 10112. Now we have to convert this binary number to decimal. Here there is no point, okay, radix point. So here 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1, 2 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to 0. Simple calculation. 1 into 8 plus 0, 2 plus 1, that is 8 plus 3, that is 11 with base 10. That is conversion of this binary number to decimal is 11 with base 10. Last example 10102. Here there is also no any radix point. So 1 0 1 2 3, 1 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to 0. So 1 into 8 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 plus 0, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10 with base 10. So conversion of this binary number to decimal is 10 raised to 10. Okay. So what we learn in this class? Digital electronics, spatial materials. So digital electronics contains number systems. Okay. So what do you mean by the digital electronics? It is a branch of electronics which deals with the digital circuit, is called a digital electronics. Okay. The number system can be represented as this equation. Okay. This is number, this is base, and this is most significant digit, this is last significant digits, these are integers, these are fraction, and middle point is the radix point. Okay, there are 4 types of number system. One is binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So binary number system means what? The number system with base 2 is known as the binary number system. 0 and 1 only used. Okay, these are known as the bits. Next, decimal number system means any numbers with base 10. This is a decimal number system. So the numbers are in between 0 to 9 only. Next, conversion, binary to decimal. How to convert binary to decimal? Already we know the binary number is indicating by 2. So 0, 1, 2, like that only. 1, whatever number is there, no, 1 into multiply by 2 raised to square 1 0, like that. Next, whenever there is a 1 point, 1 decimal point, before the decimal point is different and after the decimal points are different. So before the decimal point indicating as a 2 raised to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. But after the decimal point is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Simple. Next, 1 into 2 raised to 5, like that only. Okay, next a simple calculation is there. Calculate and write base as a 10. That is conversion of this binary number to 10. And simple 2 examples are there. Okay, in this class only we learned about the conversion of binary to decimal. Okay, next class onwards we discuss about the how to convert decimal to binary. Okay, this class is clear now. Thank you.